How to use WhatsApp web on PC step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is open any of your browser. I'm opening my Chrome, and in here on the search bar, what you're gonna do is type web.whatsapp.com. After typing that, we'll get to this particular WhatsApp web page. Then after doing that, what you're gonna do is take out your phone and then simply open your WhatsApp. So after opening your WhatsApp, simply open your profile just like this. And on your profile, what you can see is QR icon right here. All you need to do is tap on that one just like this. Then in here you can get the option of scan just like that. So simply tap on scan right here, then your camera will be open, then you'll be able to scan that exact QR. Tap on continue, and then again, in order to link your device, simply tap on continue one more time, and then again you'll be able to scan your QR one more time. Tap on confirm it's you. Okay, my face ID verification is required. So in here, after scanning the QR with your mobile one more time, here you can see it is now being logged in, and within a few minutes here you can see we'll be able to use WhatsApp on our web right on our PC. So here you can see it is currently loading. Within a few minutes it will be all set. So after your chat has successfully been loaded, you'll be able to use your WhatsApp web just like the normal WhatsApp. However you use it, you can now chat with anyone, you can update your status and do all of these things on your WhatsApp web, and that's it.